Here we're passing the Harry Potter store at City Walk. We were so excited because the last time we were at Universal, the Harry Potter area was being built, and now that it's fully there, we're just anticipating, you know, what to expect, how the whole place looks. Right now here we're at the gate, ready to go in. We stayed the whole day from opening to close. It's a lot cheaper if you get the tickets online beforehand. If you're spending the day there like we were, I highly suggest that you grab the Universal Express tickets, which is about $70 to $80 per person on top of the base price tickets. This is just so you can bypass the long lines because it can wrap around a few times. It may even take an hour or more just to get to a 10-minute ride, which I don't think, if you're pressed for time, would do you any good. Here we're at the Harry Potter area. As you can see here, everything is so surreal. You just feel like you're transported to a different world, a different dimension. The actual Harry Potter set, everything is so gothic, and the snow-capped, the tops, it really sets the tone of the place. Here's one of the rides that was within the section, and it's a short roller coaster ride. And then here is the inside of the bigger ride, which I unfortunately couldn't video because it was way too dark. So my husband's taking footage here, and as you can see, it's kind of replicating what the school had in the movie.
We just did the Harry Potter ride, and it's one of the newer rides. It's kind of cool. It was really dark and scary, but oh my gosh, I almost barfed because of the motion and stuff. I don't know why. I'm not usually sensitive to that stuff, but it was an experience. I don't feel good right now, so I'm just gonna try to walk it off, drink some water. I might be dehydrated.
Here we are headed to the studio tour. It's about a half-hour tour, and with the express passes, we were able to get on almost immediately. So otherwise we would have had to wait for half an hour or so. As some of you know, this is a tour guiding us through all the sets that they've used in movies, and it was really interesting because the last time we were there, Ava was really small and she got to see it with new eyes.
You in the mood, I've been running, came out gunning, stopped the fronting on your word. It's what you hear, not what you heard. I'ma hang on every verb, I'ma show you what it's worth. Every day I'm on the earth till they put me in the dirt. I'ma get into it first. Said I'ma get into it first.
Yes, we're in San Francisco right now. Why do I know that? Well, on your right-hand side, there's a sign that says, "Welcome to San Francisco." And just like little Europe, I can take down that sign, put up a new one, take you anywhere in the world. We can go to Greece, Rome, Mexico, New York, New Orleans, Atlanta, Tallahassee, Florida, anywhere in the world by simply just taking down that sign and putting up a new one in its place without touching any of the other elements that are... Yeah, nothing to worry about. It's one of our slight California tremors we get from time to time. Anyway, as I was saying, if you take down that sign and go, oh, this could be the big one. Everyone hang on to your belongings and remain seated. Over. Nothing else could possibly go wrong. Oh, I spoke too soon. Watch out.
Put me in the dirt. Said I'ma get into it first. Said I'ma get into it. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze. You cannot stop me, I mean this spinach and broccoli. Termination like I'm Rocky, lift the heavy, no spot please. Body back a beating and I get away scotch-free. And I'ma take control, unbreakable. I sense the face, the shakes is cold, the grace is more. Plus it's really the motivation, so it's thank you so. Like that's on my neck, hard work on my breath. The easy road taking the left, it's on my chest. No time for regrets, faith in the journey like Steph. Shooting is wet like clay, the party ain't maybe this way. I'm taking all of this left to the bank. I'ma deposit and see what it make. Shoot it, so it's reap. I pay the meter, I came in with Peter like Peter on water. I'm stepping in deeper, they know that I'm coming like follow the leader. I'm taking a chance today. Standing inside of the kitchen, I turn on the heater. I'm here to turn on my brothers and sisters and cousins and mothers until my believers get into it first. Said I'ma get into it first. Until they put me in.
And they're using very special equipment. This is not the type of thing anyone should ever think about trying on their own. Nate is going to burn for 8 to 10 seconds. And we're almost ready, so I'll leave it to our booth to set the lights in the house for the shot and our clock to 0 on the side screens. Everyone, please remain in your seats for the duration of the stunt. Whenever you're ready, Carlos. Ready and action. 10 seconds. To ensure that it is locked.
Why are you flaring your nostrils?
For your own safety, remain in the boat at all times unless otherwise directed by others. Never reach outside the boat. You don't want to harm your dinosaur snack.
Also, there is no
Ground by your feet. If you have hats, they have to come off.
We're in the very front seat. We're definitely getting wet. I'm not looking forward to this, dude. All right, see you guys on the other side.
A vast ocean was home to an explosion of life at the top of the food chain. Entering Predator Cove, home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
Oh my god! This is the aftermath.
Yeah. Oh my god.
So wet. Huh?
It's so bad. My whole shirt is wet.
I'm just glad I wore a tank top.